Hi students, now we will discuss one of the Python program to print the following triangle like this 4 4 4 4 3 3 3 2 2 1. Very first line of this program is non-executable statement which start with a hash symbol. It is called single line command. And next line starting with 3 double quotation and here ending with 3 double quotation. It is also command that is called multi-line command. Multi-line command. Okay, next line I am going to read the n value from the keyboard. The innermost function, input function, is used to read the n value. First of all, it will display the message on the screen, enter the n value. After that, it will move the cursor to immediate next line. Whatever value I am reading from the keyboard through input function, it treats as a string. So you should convert it to integer. Int, outermost function int is used to convert the string value to integer. Then it will assign to n. My input is 4. Next line is a loop statement for I in range, that is n value is 4 up to 0 it will true. End with colon. Every loop statement end with colon. Okay, condition is true. N value 4, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1 up to 1. A condition is true. Okay, control comes inside the loop. Here also one more loop statement is there. That is for j equal to range. That is I value is 4 up to 0 it will work. Okay, condition is true. The control comes here and it will print the I value, that is 4. It will print, it will be wait in immediate next column. Here end equal to within double quotation there is nothing, means it will wait immediate next column. Then control comes here, j value 4, 4 minus 1, that is 3, 3 to 0 condition is true. Again control comes here, again it will print the I value. Now I value is 4, it will print, it will wait immediate next column. Then control comes here, 3 minus 1 it will become 2, 2 to 0 condition is true. Again it will print I value, that is 4. Then control comes here, 2 minus 1 1, 1 to 0 condition is true. Again condition is true. Control comes here and it will print I value, that is 4. Then control comes here, j value is 1, 1 minus 1, 0 to 0 means condition is false. So control comes to immediate next statement, that is print. Here I am nothing I am printing, so it is used to move the cursor from here to here. Then control goes to outer loop. Now I value is 4, 4 minus 1, it will become 3, 3 to 0 condition is true. Control comes inside the loop. Here j value once again reassign, j value is I value is 3, 3 to 0 condition is true. Control comes here and I print the I value, 3 will print, it will wait immediate next column. Then control comes here, j value 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 to 0 condition is true. So control comes here, again it will print the I value 3, then it is waiting here. Then control comes here and 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 greater than 0. Condition is true. Control comes here, again it will print 3 and wait immediate next column. Then control comes here, 1 minus 1, that is 0, 0 to 0 means condition is false. Control comes here and it will move the cursor from here to here. Okay, then control goes to outer loop. I value 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 to 0 condition is true. Control comes here and j inside the loop, j value will reassign, that is j value is 2, I value 2, 2 to 0 condition is true. Again it will print I value, that is 2. Now control comes here, j value 2, 2 minus 1 it will become 1, 1 to 0 condition is true. Again it will print I value 2. Then it will wait here. Then control comes here, j value 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 to 0 condition is false. Control comes here, it will move the cursor from here to here. Then control goes to outer, I value is 2, 2 minus 1, 1. 1 to 0 condition is true, control comes here, and j value is reassigned, I value is 1. 1 to 0 condition is true, and control comes here, and it will print the I value, that is 1. After printing, control wait immediate next column, then control comes here, then 1 minus 1 0, 0 to 0 condition is false, control comes here. It is used to move the cursor from here to here. Next line. Then control goes to outer loop. Outer loop I value is 1, 1 minus 1 0, 0 to 0 means condition is false, control comes here. There is no more statement, so no other statement. So program is over. So we will see the output, how to run the program. F4 is used to run the program. F5. Now n value is 4. You can get like this output. Okay, fine. Kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon and share it. Thank you.